Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can act immediately. Sign into your Google account, pick the cloud project, and verify billing is active. This unlocks compute resources. Once done, enable AI Studio in the project and assign IAM roles like editor or AI platform user so you can create models and datasets. Make sure APIs are enabled and you have a service account key if automating. This early setup prevents permission errors later and prepares the workspace for model work. Now you bring data in and begin modeling. Upload files or connect BigQuery, then inspect and clean a few samples so your schema is accurate. Next, create a new experiment in AI Studio, pick the model architecture and allocate training compute. Choose GPUs or TPUs depending on dataset size. Configure preprocessing steps and augmentation, then set sensible hyperparameters. Once training starts, monitor logs and metrics to catch divergence early. If needed, iterate quickly by adjusting. Finish by deploying and validating the model so it serves real requests. Deploy to an endpoint, configure auto-scaling and traffic split for safe rollouts, and then run targeted validation tests using representative inputs. Once traffic flows, monitor latency, errors, and cost. Use a /B testing for incremental changes. If things go wrong, check logs for stack traces, confirm quota and billing limits, and verify input formatting and preprocessing steps. Often mismatched input shapes or missing features are the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.